Dear student, welcome to the Vedic Mathematics Input. Here we are going to learn about squaring of a number. This is the first part of this video bite. This is the roadmap that we are going to follow. We are going to learn the squaring of a numbers in the different patterns. We will cover under the different headings and we will forward it with the base concept. This is just I have shown you that what a square of a number is. A perfect square is a number that is square of a whole number and that can be presented by using or arranging the objects in a square. You have to learn the perfect square that I am showing up to 15 for the easy grasp of the concept, and it is actually very much required for the mental calculation. Let's start with the concept squaring of a number ending in 5 when the last place is 5. This is the rule we have to follow. First we have to see that the number should be A5, means we are taking the first part of the number as A and the remaining part is obviously 5 because it ends with 5. What we have to do to calculate is we have to take A to be followed by A plus 1 and then followed by 25, means we have to multiply number which is considered as A with its successor and to be written next to 25. This can be summarized as shown here, that it is A into A plus 1 and then 25. Let's do through an example. This is an example to find out square of 25. I know it's simple, but let's see. Here we are saying that A is 2, means other than 5, we have the first number as 2 and 5 is the next part. What is the product of 2 and the next number? That is 2 into 3, that is 6. So what you have to do? You have to put 6 and then followed it by 25. So we got the square of 25 as 625. Right? Let's see another example. In this example, we are talking about 65 as a number. So the first number is 6, which is other than 5. 5 is the last number which remain as such. What we have to do is multiply 6 with its successor, that is 6 into 7 gives you 42 and followed by 25. Every time you have to put the number multiplied by its successor next to 25. Right? So the answer becomes 4225. 42 followed by 25. Let's take a 3-digit number. Here I have considered 125, obviously somewhat hard. So what we have to do is 125 again we have to recognize as 12 and 5. There is a gap in between. So we have to multiply 12 with 12 plus 1, that is 12 into 13 gives you 156 followed by 25. So the answer you can calculate orally, whatever the bigger number is, the answer is 15625. Right? Now here we have some of the questions that you have to try doing the same. It's written for you. Right? Let's find out square of a number that ends in 1. As we have seen the numbers which end in 5, now it's a number which ends in 1 and we are looking for its square. So here is the rule. First we have to take the number as A1, means the number is followed by 1. So we are considering as A1. What the answer is? Answer will be square of A followed by 2A and to be followed by 1, means A square then followed by 2A and followed by 1. You can see it as this one. Here it is very clearly written that it is A square followed by 2A and then followed by 1. But here is a note, the middle part must be of 1 digit only, and if it has more than one number, the 1 digit is there, then you have to take carry to the next. I will show you with the help of example. Here we have the simple number 31, we are looking for its square. So let the number is 3 followed by 1. So I have to take square of 3, then twice of 3 and then followed by 1. So the answer should be 9, 6, 1. 3 square 9, 3 into 2 6 followed by 1. Here is another example, 21 square. Obviously you can do it orally, but here we are learning through the trick. Square of 2 followed by 2 into 2 followed by 1. So here we have 441. Let's see another example, 41 square. So again we have 4 followed by 1, 4 square, then 2 into 4 and then 1. So here if you go for square of 4 is 16, 2 into 4 is 8 and the last digit 1 remain 1. So the answer is 1681. Now here are some examples with carryover. 51 square. So here I have shown you directly what we can write down. 51 square. So we have 5 as the first number, 1 as the last number. We are getting 5 square, 2 into 5 followed by 1. We can write down 25 followed by 10 followed by 1. But since 10 has more than one digit, so I have to carry on this 1 to 25. So it becomes 26, then 0 and 1. Here I have showcased that if I carry 1 to 5, it becomes 2 followed by 5 plus 1, then 0 and 1. So the answer is 2601. Here we have another example, 81 square. Using the squaring rule, it is 8 square into 2 into 8 and then 1. So 8 square is 64, 2 into 8 is 16 followed by 1. But since 16 has more than one digit, I have to carry this 1 to the next one. So 4 plus 1 become 5. So the answer is 6561. Now here again we have some examples that you have to try. Try to find out the squares of these numbers that ends in 1 and be sure to practice a lot. Right? Now in the same context we have given one more, you can say a trick, that how to find out product of two digit numbers whose last digit sum is 10. Right? So this method can be used when the first digits of the numbers are same and the last digit is the sum of 10. For example, here 53 into 57, the first digits are 5, that are same, and the last digit of 53 is 3 and 57 is 7 and 3 plus 7 is 10. We can use it in 74 into 76 because 74 and 76 both starts with 7 and 4 plus 6 is 10. Right? So we can use this method to all these numbers where the first digit is same and the sum of last digit is 10. So here's the rule. Let the number be AB and AC, right, such that B plus C should be 10. So the simple rule is A into A plus 1, A followed by A plus 1 and followed by B into C, right. So when we do it and write down in this way, we will get the solution. Let's see an example. 48 into 42. So here the first part is 4A. So 4 into the next number, 4 into 5 and 8 into 2, B and C. B is 8, C is 2. So 4 into 5 followed by 8 into 2 gives you 2, 0 and 1, 6. 20 and 16 to be written together give you the answer 2016. Here's the next example, 83 into 87. So again first digit is same, 8. So I have to write down 8 into the next, 8 into 9 followed by 3 into 7 because 3 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. So 8 into 9 followed by 3 into 7, that is 72 followed by 21. So the answer is 7221. Now here are again the examples that you have to try. You can see all these are the numbers with first digit which is same. It could be a single digit or a 2 digit followed by those digits whose sum is coming as 10. Right? So that's all about this lecture. We will continue with some next concepts of squaring. Right? So that's all for now. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.